Over in Japan, the real estate market there is beginning to show signs of a turnaround after years of stagnation. Some investors say that might be an encouraging sign for the government's economic recovery plan. Our Terrence Terashima takes a look.
With promises of economic revitalization, many investors are placing high hopes for Japan's equity and property market. Recent government reports showed slower downward trend in property prices, fueling high expectations, even the possibility for overall rise in prices. But real estate experts warn that it is too early to place too much optimism.
It is possible that it's bottoming out, but it has not hit the bottom yet. We do see some promising figures, but that is mostly in the core of Tokyo. In the outskirts and other parts of Japan, the property market is still gloomy.
Analysts say real estate investment trusts and real estate-related stocks rose sharply from November last year in anticipation for a turnaround in property market. However, it does not reflect the real property prices.
Office rent prices, for instance, dropped worldwide after the Lehman shock. Most countries recovered from around 2009, but Japan only showed slight recovery from second quarter last year. Now, with this so-called Abenomics, we hope it will actually push the recovery further.
Likewise, with land prices, experts say, in order for land and property prices to rise, more investments are needed. So far, the confidence has not yet returned. The real estate situation in Japan is very bleak, and many of the office buildings are empty. So the question is, will the property prices go up? There are hopes, but not too much optimism.
Prime Minister Abe's bold monetary easing is a positive factor for real estate industry, although it is not apparent at the moment. If Abe continues with his revival plans, we might see encouraging signs in the property market.
One indicator that might reflect possible upturn is the lending attitude of financial institutions. More lending, more investments.
I think we will see a positive trend this year. Next year, we have the consumption tax hike. After that, will depend on the pace of economic recovery.
The market sentiment is more positive, experts say, but momentum is still yet to come. Terrence Terashima, CCTV, Tokyo.